everyone, my name is Melchor Ortiz Cimiterio from BPED-3E. So now, I'm going to demonstrate to you the 3-step during earthquake. First, duck down to the floor. Second, cover under a sturdy table or desk. And third, hold on until the shaking stops. Remember, avoid danger spots near windows, hanging objects, or mirrors. If you take cover under sturdy piece of furniture, hold on to it and be prepared to move it. Those are the steps or procedure that we need to know during the earthquake. Be your own hero.